Sergeant, you've been deceived by a very clever disguise. This new cool and creamy pudding is not pudding.
But the label says pudding, Inspector.
Pudding doesn't come frozen or keep in your refrigerator for 2 weeks. This cool and creamy does. And see that richer, creamier texture?
Incredibly smooth.
Now the clincher.
It's like chocolate pudding with ice cream whipped into it.
Precisely. And the vanilla tastes like eclair filling. And the butterscotch?
Like creamy caramel custard.
You see, Sergeant, you stumbled onto a strange and devilishly delicious new dessert disguised as a pudding.
Fiendishly clever, sir. Bird's Eye's new cool and creamy pudding is too good to be pudding. But why wasn't it obvious to me?
Ah, my good man. Never judge a dessert by its cover.
Ah, yes.